Financial plan. Today, we will study mind maps about financial plan and investment report. Our brains understand visual information 60,000 times faster than auditory information. Difficult business and financial concepts in a quick and easy visual format. Follow our content and learn visually about important topics for your personal financial life. Subscribe, like, and share vMorphine to others. You will increase our results and recognize our work. Thank you.
A successful investment plan starts with specific, measurable goals. Assess your risk tolerance to guide asset allocation and diversification. Consider your investment time horizon, liquidity needs, and tax implications. Regularly review and rebalance your plan to align with goals while staying informed about economic conditions. Understand costs and consult a financial advisor for strategic insights. Crafting a successful investment plan requires setting specific, measurable goals and understanding your risk tolerance. Consider your investment time horizon, liquidity needs, and tax implications. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio and stay informed about economic conditions. These elements ensure your investment strategy remains aligned with your objectives. It is an example of a finance report. In 20YY, the main division achieved a revenue of $156 million with a profit margin of $83.89 million, supported by 150 full-time employees. They completed 83 projects, 63 international and 20 local, achieving a 102% result by year. The additional division mirrored these figures, indicating consistent performance across divisions. Our investment overview highlights performance metrics, risk assessment, and financial projections. The implementation progress is tracked across 3 stages, with each project advancing from 0% to 100% completion. This structured approach ensures a comprehensive evaluation of current investment projects, facilitating informed decision-making and strategic planning. Analyzing monthly project data, we observe consistent figures across various projects. Hurricane and lightning maintain steady outputs, while flood and iceberg show slight fluctuations. Fog remains the highest contributor, with rain and sunshine showing stable performance. This data is crucial for understanding project stability and forecasting future trends. Analyzing the investment overview, we observe varied performance metrics across 9 investments. Investment 06 achieved full implementation, while Investment 08 lags at 7%. Risk assessment and financial projections indicate a need for strategic adjustments. The timeline shows significant progress in some areas, yet others require attention to meet financial goals effectively. Analyzing project performance, we observe consistent figures across various weather-related projects like hurricane, rain, and sunshine. Notably, iceberg and fog projects show significant values, indicating high investment. Performance evaluation ranges from A++ to B++, reflecting diverse outcomes. These insights are crucial for understanding financial dynamics and guiding future investment strategies. Financial planning involves key stages: setting clear financial goals, gathering data to assess current status, analyzing strengths and weaknesses, developing a comprehensive plan, implementing it, and regularly reviewing and updating it. Key performance indicators like budget adherence, savings rate, debt-to-income ratio, and investment return are crucial for tracking progress and ensuring financial stability. A robust financial plan is essential for stability and growth. It includes income management to enhance earnings, expense and debt management to minimize costs, and a savings strategy for future needs. Investment planning grows wealth, while risk management and insurance protect against financial risks. Retirement and estate planning ensure a secure future and asset distribution. An investment report is vital for tracking portfolio performance and making informed decisions. Key components include an executive summary, portfolio overview, performance analysis, risk assessment, asset allocation, market commentary, recommendations, and future outlook. These elements provide insights into strengths and weaknesses, guiding your investment strategy effectively. Developing a financial blueprint for a tech company involves understanding industry-specific financial complexities. The plan must balance aggressive growth with financial prudence, significantly impacting business strategy and success. Innovation is key to ensuring stability and sustainability while supporting ambitious growth objectives. Crafting an investment strategy involves 6 key steps. First, identify your investment goals, whether short-term or long-term. Next, assess your risk tolerance to guide asset allocation across stocks, bonds, and real estate. Select specific investments, implement them with diversification, and regularly monitor and adjust your portfolio to align with changing goals and market conditions. Developing a financial plan for a rapidly growing tech company required understanding the industry's unique financial aspects. The plan supported ambitious growth while ensuring stability and sustainability. It significantly influenced the client's business strategy, balancing aggressive growth with financial prudence through innovative thinking. The financial plan crafted for this tech company was pivotal, requiring a nuanced grasp of industry-specific financial dynamics. It not only guided strategic business decisions, but also ensured sustainable growth. Innovative approaches were essential to harmonize the company's aggressive expansion goals with financial prudence, ultimately driving success. The financial blueprint crafted for this tech company integrates ambitious growth with financial stability. It required a profound grasp of tech industry financials, significantly influencing the client's strategy. Innovative approaches were essential to balance aggressive expansion with fiscal prudence, ensuring sustainable success. Capital structure optimization involves evaluating debt and equity to minimize capital costs. Operational efficiency investments focus on technology to cut costs. Market expansion initiatives fund new products and geographic growth. Mergers and acquisitions target growth acceleration. Sustainability investments enhance corporate responsibility. Performance reviews ensure alignment with objectives and market trends. Explore diverse services like business strategy consultation, financial planning, and market research analysis. Enhance operational efficiency with IT consulting and project management support. Strengthen branding and marketing strategies while ensuring regulatory compliance. Optimize customer experience and manage risks effectively. Tailor services to your business stage: starter, growth, enterprise, best, or premium.
And that's a wrap on today's video about financial plan and investment report. If you found this helpful, imagine what you can achieve by continuing this journey with us. At VMOFin, we believe that visual learning is the fastest way to master modern personal finance. And we're here to guide you with clear, engaging, high-quality content. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share this with someone who's building their financial future. Together, let's build a smarter, more prosperous life, one visual at a time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.